Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to set up Shopify's estimated delivery date. The delivery time element provides customers with an estimated or specific delivery time for their order, improving the customer experience and increasing customer satisfaction. It can also help reduce customer inquiries about delivery times, freeing up customer service resources for other tasks. Overall, this element can be a useful tool for e-commerce sites looking to provide a better customer experience and streamline their delivery process. Okay, let's start set up delivery time using EComposer now. Now, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Landing Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Typically, our customers use delivery time for product pages, so in this video, I will choose an existing product page. You can create a new product page by clicking the Start Building button. Check out the detailed guide on how to create a product page using EComposer here. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, you can drag and drop the delivery time element to any position you want. This is how the delivery time element looks when added to the editor. Now we will configure this element. In the Content tab, EComposer provides several options for you to configure this element. The first is Hide Element when product unavailable or sold out. This option will hide the delivery time when the product is out of stock. Icon or image helps you choose to use an icon or image before the text. If you choose icon, EComposer provides you with an unlimited icon set. Or you can upload your own icon. With the image option, you can also upload the image you want or choose any free image in EComposer's image collection. Next is Position. This option helps you set the position for the icon or image before or after the text. You can also set the animation for the icon or image at the animation option. The fifth option is Delivery Text. This option allows you to customize the text that will be displayed to customers about the estimated delivery time. Note that this option won't work if you enter HTML code, so just enter plain text. With the Delivery Start Date option, you can set the earliest date the order can be delivered. For example, if you need a certain amount of time to process an order before you can ship it, you can set the delivery start date to reflect that processing time. Similarly, with the delivery end date, you can set the latest date the order can be delivered. For example, if you know that orders shipped to a certain area typically take a certain amount of time to arrive, you can set the delivery end date to reflect that estimated delivery time. Next is Exclude Days. With this option, you can exclude specific days of the week from your estimated delivery time. For example, if you don't ship on weekends, you can exclude Saturdays and Sundays from your estimated delivery time. In addition to the above options, you can choose the date format, cut-off delivery time, hour or minute text, and translation for the text. Next, we move to the Design tab. Design tab is divided into three parts: General, Date, and Icon. With General, you can easily adjust alignment, font style, text color, text gradient, and text shadow for the general content of your delivery time element. The Date section lets you customize the look of your date and time. This has the same options as the General tab, aside from alignment. And with Icons, you can adjust the color, size, and spacing for the icons you place in this element. So I have completed my design. To finish editing, I need to save and publish this page. Okay, I have successfully added the delivery element to my product page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels to receive the newest e-commerce page building tips and tricks. See you next time!